And you want to take your time and select the best so that you can avoid wasting time and losing your advertising dollars. So you lose time and money if you get the wrong affiliate program. Now let's get down to some of the quick tips that you can use to increase your commissions. The first one is to participate in online forums related to the product that you're selling. Posting your comments, answering other people's questions, and ask your own questions. If you can work in on how the product you are promoting can help solve someone's problems without violating the forum's rules, that's really good. And sometimes that works, especially if you put it in your signature and you go around looking for forum posts that happen to deal with that product. Next thing you can do is advertise the product you're promoting in your signature file. Use an intention-getting headline and a good reason for them to visit your affiliate site. Make sure that signature file doesn't go over 5 lines. And you can use this in your outgoing emails, on forums, and in blog comments. Third, you can create a free ebook with an advertisement and link to your affiliate website. The subject of the free ebook should entice your target audience to download it, and also submit it to some ebook directories for even better results. Fourth, you can start your own affiliate program directory. Join a large number of affiliate programs and list them all in a directory format on your website. Then you can just advertise your free affiliate program directory. The fifth thing you can do is write your own affiliate program ads. If all the other affiliates use the same ads you do, that does not give you an edge over your competition. Use a different ad to give yourself an advantage over all other affiliates. Another thing you can do is use a personal endorsement. Only use one if you've actually bought the product or service for the affiliate program, or if you've actually reviewed the product itself. Tell people what kinds of benefits and results you receive using the product. Endorsements also increase the credibility of the product that you're promoting. You could also create a free newsletter built around the topic of your chosen product. It doesn't have to be a fancy thing, just informative and helpful. And content is what usually matters the most. Then use it to advertise the affiliate programs that you've joined, submit it to an online e-zine directory, and promote it from your website. You can also use bonuses to help sell your products. Bonuses are very, very powerful because using bonuses is one of the easiest ways to motivate people to purchase from you. Remember, you're often competing with many other marketers who are also offering bonuses. Some are not offering bonuses. But by offering a relevant bonus with the product that you're trying to sell, you will help tip the prospect's buying choice in your favor. You can also start a private website. Use it as a free bonus as well, especially if people buy the product you're promoting. You could also allow people to join for free and then advertise your affiliate programs inside. This does two things. It allows you to keep in touch with your prospects and makes you feel as if they are receiving an extra value when they purchase from you. Now, as we discussed in Lesson 1, product reviews are one of the best methods to help make a sale. Take your time and write an intelligent product review of the product that you are marketing and collect testimonials from the people who purchase from you. Use a blog to provide useful information in your niche and include your well-written product recommendations. Now, when you post regularly, you'll be able to start generating a steady stream of traffic and sales from the search engines. Now, just be sure to keep your blog focused on good keywords that relate to the products that you are promoting. Next, you can build a list of prospects. Remember how I talked about building your list? The easiest way of doing this is by providing an email opt-in on your website. Ideally, create a system where you offer a free product so that they can sign up for your product, or a bonus so that they can join your list. Then what you do is you use a good autoresponder system like Aweber or GetResponse to collect email addresses and load a series of 7 to 10 emails with useful information and free resources. As time goes by, your readers will find your information useful and you'll be able to convert them into paying customers. Give some of these strategies a try. I don't recommend trying all of them at the same time, otherwise you're going to overwhelm yourself. But just focus on 2 or 3 at first and see the difference it can make to your commission checks. Well, we've come to the end of the Introduction to Affiliate Marketing video course. I sure hope that you've learned a lot from your lessons and that you're ready to take affiliate marketing world by storm. As with anything else, if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, you will need to do your research and continue your education. I wish you much success with all your affiliate marketing endeavors.